So far, I have taken a 12% hit, but I've still outperformed TQQQ by 13.5%. Hey everyone, welcome to Million Dollar SIP, where I'm documenting my real-time journey of growing my portfolio from $0 to $1 million in 10 years using a hybrid SIP strategy. Today is day 14, and I'll take you through my investment decision, trade execution, and performance update. The first step in my strategy is determining how much to invest for the day. I follow a fixed weekly investment limit based on market conditions. In an uptrend, I invest $750 to $1,000 per week, and in a downtrend, $1,000 to $1,250 per week. To decide how many units to buy, I check the previous day's price action on the one-day time frame. If both the opening price and closing price are above the 12 EMA, I buy 2 units. If both the opening price and closing price are below 12 EMA, I buy 3 units. Or if either the opening price or close price are below the 12 EMA, I buy 3 units. The 2:3 ratio remains constant, but the number of units increases as price drops, ensuring I accumulate more shares at lower prices without exceeding my fixed investment limits. In a one-day time frame, I checked yesterday's opening price and closing price, and they were both below the 12 EMA, so I decided to buy 3 units today. Once I decide how many units to buy, the next step is to determine my entry point, where I switch to the 5-minute time frame and wait for the price to dip below the 12 EMA and then bounce back above it before entering. At 9:15 a.m., the price went below the 12 EMA, so I continued to wait. And at 11:25, the price crossed above the 12 EMA with a clear confirmation signaling a strong entry point. So I entered my trade, buying 3 units at $64.36, investing $193. Now let's take a look at today's portfolio performance. So far, my total investment stands at $2,915 with the latest TQQQ price closing at $67.41. This brings the market value of my holdings to $2,561. My average cost per unit is currently $76.72, meaning I am sitting on a net loss of $354, which translates to a 12% decline. Since I started this investment journey, TQQQ has dropped by 25.5%, but my portfolio has declined by only 12%. This means I have successfully outperformed TQQQ by 13.5% so far. This demonstrates the effectiveness of my hybrid SIP strategy, which helps mitigate downside risk while allowing me to accumulate more units at lower prices. By following my structured approach, I continue to reduce my average cost while staying ahead of TQQ's overall decline. That wraps up day 14 of my investment journey. I'll continue sharing daily updates, and at the end of each week, I'll post a weekly performance summary to analyze my overall progress. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along to see how this journey unfolds. See you in the next video.